What's up? So this is post Hurricane Helene flooding. The car got totaled out by insurance. They had it insured for $12,000. Now I personally think it's more than that, but I'll take what I can get. So they said I can get a check written to me for $12,000, and then they'll take the car away, or they'd rather see me keep the car if possible. So they take $3,000 out of that 12 grand, and I cut me a check for $9,000. And then I fix everything on this. So these are the wheels that I just picked up today. So we've got a little bit of a deeper dish in the back, larger tires, and then the front wheels have the skinny tires on them. I believe those are 5s, and then a full-size spare tire as well. And these are all painted this gold color. Now I think they're gonna look really good with a nice polished center cap, and we're gonna get these on the bug now, because I'm kind of in dire need of money to cover all the expenses of our house being flooded. I'm gonna take those wheels, list them online, and make my money back for these wheels plus some. And I could use as much plus some money that I can make right now, because I got a lot of expenses coming up over the next month. Okay, so since this car was under salt water to about here, I'm gonna go ahead and take some salt away in a pump sprayer, and I'm just coming under here and saturating everything with this to kind of kill the salt. Just saturating the whole underside with this, and it basically eliminates any more salt corrosion from continuing. You can see it on the exhaust pipe here. You can see it on the oil pump cover. So salt water is a nasty, nasty thing, and this basically is taking me 10 steps backwards from where the car was. It was dialed in and just ready to be done. Now I'm back to this point where I have to possibly pull this motor, and hopefully the transmission isn't also corroded with salt. So the dangers of living in paradise across from the Gulf of Mexico. What can I say? Getting a jack under a lowered car. Oh yeah. I'm gonna like that, I think. The gap has been filled. It's gonna look good once it gets a center cap on there. wheel all the way without rubbing this time. And I think it matches the wood grain pretty well. I think I like them. Still need to get some caps. I only have one cap right now, so I just threw it on the back here to see how it would look. Fills that gap a lot nicer than those chrome Raiders. It does suck a little bit going from 17 inch to 15 inch, and I'm losing a lot of shininess, so that's going to take a little while to get used to. But it has that more that classic V-dub, lowered V-dub look that I fell in love with, and that's the reason why I got Volkswagen Beetle, because I like the smoothie look, the steels with the smooth caps, you know, just has more of that classic look. So it's quite the change, and it all happened basically because of Hurricane Helene flooding out this car. Just gonna go ahead and sell these wheels, the chrome ones. They're fine, even though they got salt water. I got them cleaned up and taken care of, so they're like new. And you know, a hurricane brings not only change to your life and your home, and everything that you once owned is gone, but now it's changed the look of my car too, and it just kind of randomly happened. But right now I need all the money that I can get to pay off all these deductibles and all this improvement that I need to do to my house, because it's all 2x4s in there right now, exposed walls. So selling the chrome wheels is going to put a few extra $100 in my pocket, and that'll help me get a little bit farther ahead. And now I'm just gonna be with these gold wheels for now, and it's okay. I think I'll get used to it and I'll like it, and it's just a new look for Punchy, a new phase, post Hurricane Helene phase of Punchy's life. So all right, thanks for watching. Pretty uneventful video, but I don't have much content right now because my whole life's in shambles. But this is at least something out there and showing you the change of my car and why it's happening. So thanks for watching. See you later.